How to draw and paint a Santa hat for your Christmas crafts and greetings. Santa hats go on anything and everything. A Santa hat is a brilliant thing to practice drawing. It can Christmassify any picture just by being in it. Draw a jelly bean shape for the bottom. It's not straight anywhere because hats usually go on heads and heads are usually round. If they were square, then that bottom line would be straight. On top of that, draw an upside down triangle. Onto that, draw a fat chicken drumstick shape, and you'll get the above shape or something similar enough. I've gone around the headband and the pom-pom with short sticky out strokes of the pen, after which I've inked in the main part of the hat. The pencil has been erased and more short flicks of the pen have been put in to indicate the headband and the pom-pom are furry. Using a dark violet watercolour pencil, I've scribbled in the areas that would be shaded. That will be the bottom of the headband because it curves under to meet the head it's on, and the little bit at the top where the fabric of the hat joins the headband. Also, there will be shadow along the side of the hat that has the bent over bit leaning over it. And then there's the bottom and inside of the pom-pom. I coloured in the main part of the hat more lightly on the sides opposite the shaded sides and more heavily over the shaded parts. This version has been painted over with water. And there is a Santa hat all ready to go on anything you wish to Christmassify. Here's one I prepared earlier. This has been painted in watercolours rather than in watercolour pencils, only because I had my watercolours at the time and not my pencils. Once you're happy with your Santa hat, you can Christmassify anything for your festive crafts and greetings. So there really needs to be a video on how to draw and paint a cat in a Santa hat in a Christmassy picture. That's on its way.